Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics Bridge course for class 11 students. In the previous video lecture, we studied how to use log table to find the log of given number. In today's session, again I am going to continue how to use log table, but here we are going to find anti-log of given number. That number may be positive or negative. How to use log table to find anti-log of given number we are going to study in today's session. So without using scientific calculator, just by only using log table we are going to find anti-log. I already told you in the previous video lecture, so better to purchase this log table. So it cost is nearly 15 rupees. If you have your own log table, then it is easy to learn quickly yourself to find the log and anti-log of given numbers. So here anti-log, this is also as same as log, but here the number start with 0.00. Here it start with the decimal point 0.00, 0.01 up to we can get the numbers 0.99. Here the first column, the first vertical column, we are going to call it as main column. This is main column. And then the number from 0 to 9. So these columns we are going to call it as, these are difference column. What are these? Difference column. And at the last you can observe this is mean difference column. Is it clear? Main column, difference column, and this is mean difference column. So this is what anti-logarithmic table. We are going to use this table to find anti-log of given numbers. I am going to explain anti-log of positive values with an example. I am going to consider first example, that is anti-log of the number. Here it is given 3.4032. The given example is anti-log of 3.4032. Here we are going to find anti-log of given number. So before that I am going to divide this value into two parts. The number before decimal point, that is characteristic, we already know that. First I am going to write characteristic separately. This is one part, and the right side of the decimal point we are going to call it as mantissa, and this is the second part of the given number. So the first part is what? Number 3. This is the characteristic, the number before the decimal point, and the remaining is what? Mantissa. Here I can write the number 0.4032. So I divided the given number into two parts, 3 and 0.4032. So this is characteristic and this is mantissa. Now the first step you have to remember here, it is completely different from log. We already studied in the previous video lecture that log of given number, if there are 4 numbers, 4 minus 1, 3, that gives characteristic. But here it is exactly opposite to log. So here already the characteristic is given 3 and mantissa is how much? 4032. We are dividing this number into two parts. The first step you can remember here is, the first step, step 1, characteristic should be added by number 1. We have to add 1 to the characteristic. Characteristic is 3 here. So 3. Here it will be added, that is plus 1. So we can get the answer how much? 4 here. So first step is the characteristic number is added by 1. So we got this number 4. Then come to the second part, which is mantissa. Mantissa, here it is 0.4032. Now come to the second step. I am going to write step 2. So step 2 here, the number is given 0.4032. Here, this number I am going to divide into 3 parts. The first part I am going to write it as 0.40 is one part, 3 is another part, and the last part is 2. 0.40, 3 and 2. Now here I am going to consider 0.40 and 3. We have to observe this digit in the main column. 0.40 we have to observe in main column, and the second number, this we have to observe in the main column. Number 3 we have to observe in the difference column, and the last number we have to observe in the mean difference column. So first, using log table, we can find the value of 0.40 at 3. Now you can see here 0.40 at 3. Here is 0.40. This is the main column. In difference column at 3. 3 is here. So at 3 vertically, and here it is horizontally. So we can get this number 2529. You can observe here the number how much we can get here, 2529 at 0.40. Here it is at 3. So we got the number 2529. Now we can write that number here. So what is the value? So we got the value as 2529. Then come to the second part. Go for mean difference. So here 0.40 we have to see in the mean difference at 2. 0.40 at 2. It will be how much? We can see in the log table. 0.40 is here. Mean difference at 2. Mean difference means at 2 it will be here. We can observe in the vertical column. 0.40 at 2 means we have the value 1 here. You can carefully observe this tabular column. 0.40 at 2 in the mean difference we have the number 1. So now I am going to write the number 1 here. 2529 is observed in the difference column. Now here we got the number 1. We have to add these two numbers. 2529 plus 1. So we got the answer 259 plus 1 will be 10. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So we got 2530. This is step 2. So what is step 1? We have to consider the digit before the decimal point, which is called characteristic. Characteristic should be added by 1. So we got 3 plus 1 is 4. Step 2. The second part of the number we have to consider 0.4032. Here 0.40 at 3 we have to observe in the difference column, and 0.40 at 2 we have to observe in the mean difference column, adding these two values. So now we got 2530. So this is the value 2530. First part is 4. Second part we got 2530. Now how to write the answer? You can see here the final answer. Therefore I can write anti-log of 3.4032 is equal to, so we have the mantissa value how much here? 2530. But what about the characteristic? We got characteristic as 4, right? So now we have to move 4 points. So from this direction we have to move the point. How many points we have to move? 4 points, because characteristic we got 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 point here we can get, or we can write it as 2530.00. So this is the final answer. Anti-log of 2.5192. The number is 2.5192. Now we have to divide this number into 2 parts. The first part is characteristic. Second part is mantissa. First I am going to write step 1. What is step 1? Step 1 we can write anti-log of 2.5192. Characteristic is 2. So we have to add plus 1 to the characteristic. So the answer we got is 3. This is the characteristic value. Then come to the step 2. Step 2 means we can write mantissa, that is 0.5192. Now here this number we can observe in the log table. 0.51 is the first part, second part is 9, third part is 2. Now here 0.51 we have to observe in the difference column. 2 we have to observe in the mean difference column. Now you can observe 0.51 at 9. What is the answer? You can see the log table. 0.51 at 9. Here is the 0.51. Can you see this number from the log table? 0.51. Here you can see the number 0.51. We have to observe in the mean difference in the difference column at 9. Here is the number 3304. See here the number we got 3304. 0.51 is observed at 9 in the difference column. So the number is what? 3304. Similarly, here I am going to write that number. The number we got 3304 plus the second point. We have to observe the same 0.51 in mean difference column with the help of this log table. So mean difference column, here we have to observe 2. Here is the 2. So here we can move this vertical direction. So this is 0.51 at 2. Again we got the same number 2 here. So these 2 we have to add. 0.51 at 9 in the difference column. 0.51 at 2 in the mean difference column. Here it is 2. I am going to add plus 2 here. So what is the final answer? 3306. Step 1, step 2, characteristic and mantissa value is completed. Now we have to write the final answer. How to write the final answer? Here I am going to write the final answer. Antilog of 2.5192 is equal to 3306. And here the characteristic we got 3 points. We have to move from this direction. We have to move 1, 2, 3. Here we got the point. So what is the final answer? 330.6. So in this way we have to move the decimal point according to the characteristic value. So this is the final answer. Antilog of 2.5192 is equal to 330.6. Is it clear? Now try to solve yourself. The third example I am going to write antilog of the number 1.6891. Now directly I am going to write the characteristic is how much? So characteristic is here the step 1. This is 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. This is what? Characteristic. Now come to the second point. Second part is what here? 0.6891. 0.68 is main column. 9 we have to observe in the difference column. 1 we have to observe in the mean difference column with the help of log table. Now 0.68 at 9 we have to observe. 0.68, here it is 0.68 is here. We have to observe at 9. 9 in the difference column. So we got this answer. You can observe here. The answer is 4887. Right? Now you can see here. 4887 at 9 in the difference column. Here it is 0.68. Now we got 0.68 at 9 is 4887. We can write it here. 4887. Now 0.68 we have to observe in the mean difference column. This is 1. Now again we can go to this column. So mean difference column at 1. Here we got the same value here again 1. So we can add plus 1 here plus 1. So the final answer is 4888. 4888 we got. So how to write the final answer? The number is 4888. But characteristic we got 2 points we have to move. So here 48.88. So this is the final answer. Now, one more problem I am going to consider. Antilog of the number is 0.2134. So here the digit before the decimal point is 0. So 0 plus 1 will be how much? 1. 1 is the characteristic now. Mantissa, second part is 0.2134. 0.21 we have to observe in main column, 3 we have to observe in difference column, 4 we have to observe in the mean difference column. 0.21 at 3. Here 0.21. You can see the number 0.21 in the main column. This is 0.21. We have to observe 0.21 at 3. 3 is the difference column. So we got 1633. Can you see this number 1633? Here it is 3 in the difference column and 0.21 is in the main column. What is the number? 1633. We can write here 1633 plus the same number again we have to observe in the mean difference at 4. 0.21 at 4. 0.21 at 4. Mean difference at 4 means we have the number 2. Here it is 4. Observe vertically. Now we got the number 2. This is the mean difference column. We have the number 2 for 4 in the mean difference column. So means we have to add plus 2 here. So now we got 1635. Now tell me how you are going to write the final answer. 1635 is Mantissa, but characteristic is 1. So 1 point we have to move here. So after 1 digit I am going to write decimal point. 1.635 is the final answer.